How to wax your car. Are you a teenager who just got your first car and want to keep it looking sharp? Waxing your car is a fantastic way to protect the paint and make it shine. It might seem tricky at first, but I will break it down into simple steps for you. First, you need to start with a clean car. Wash it thoroughly using car wash soap and water. This removes dirt, dust, and grime. If you skip this step, you could rub dirt into the paint, causing scratches. After washing, dry the car completely with a clean towel. Next, check for any rough spots on the paint. Look for tree sap, bug splatter, or tiny bits of road tar. Washing may not remove these. You can use a clay bar kit to help with this. A clay bar is a soft bar that you rub over the paint while using a lubricant spray. It pulls out all the little bits stuck to your car's surface, leaving it smooth and ready for wax. Now find a shady spot to work. Waxing in direct sunlight can make the wax dry too fast, making it hard to remove. If you do not have a garage, look for a shaded area or wait for a cooler part of the day. Gather your supplies: a clean applicator pad, your choice of car wax, and a couple of microfiber towels. Some people also use gloves to keep their hands clean. Start by applying a small amount of wax to the applicator pad. Work on one section of the car at a time, like a door or a fender. Use gentle, circular motions to spread the wax evenly over the paint. Do not use too much wax at once. A thin, even layer is best. Once you have covered a section, move on to the next, repeating the process until the whole car is done. Let the wax dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will know it is ready when it turns hazy and feels powdery if you swipe your finger across it. Do not leave it on longer than recommended, or it can become difficult to remove. Take a clean microfiber towel and gently wipe off the wax. Use smooth, even strokes and fold the towel to a clean section as it gets dirty. If you feel resistance, the wax might not be fully dry yet. Keep buffing until the surface is smooth and shiny. Repeat this process every few months to keep your car protected and looking great. Waxing not only makes your car shine, but it also helps shield the paint from sun, rain, and road debris. For teenagers, this routine is a simple way to take pride in your car and learn basic maintenance skills. It is a job you can do yourself, and it does not require expensive tools or a lot of time. Plus, a well-waxed car stands out and can help you feel more confident behind the wheel.